I'm Varsha from Kalakshetra, and since I have been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube or any other platforms, a lot of videos on Bharatanatyam is there, but very essentially we don't have any such reference to the exercises a Bharatanatyam, specifically a Bharatanatyam dancers must do, since all of them are many of them are going through knee pain or back pain. So with the year of research of my own, I thought let me give a series of videos on the exercises for Bharatanatyam dancers. So today the video will I'll be speaking about the different exercises you should be doing when you have a bad knee pain. Okay, so a lot of my students are also going through, so it may, I thought, and even I had gone through this kind of pain, so we'll start with the knee pain exercises. This few exercises can be done not necessarily before dancing or after dancing. You can do it at any leisure time, and since we are in lockdown, you can spend all this your free time in a very beautiful way. And please do to strengthen all your strengthen your knee. So there'll be exercise here. My student Varshni will be helping me with showing you all the exercises, how it has to be done. The first one we'll talk about the squatting. A lot of you'll see many platforms they'll be talking about the squatting exercises for knee pain. But mind you, so the usual squatting will be hand stretched, and what they do is going down fully. Yeah. So this is a normal squatting everyone does. But now, since even I go through the knee pain, and dancers with knee pain will suffer severely doing this kind of squatting, full squatting, and it will pain terribly. So one must do the partial squatting, just so much where the pain doesn't trigger. So this partial squatting will strengthen your hamstring and all other, and also strengthens the knee. So this is a very good exercise and you can do it when you have a very bad knee pain. You don't have to go down fully and do that kind of squatting. Now the second exercise will be kicking the leg, which is usually done. Yeah. So this again, when you do with a severe knee pain, I can tell you it will pain terribly. So you can avoid that. It's a very good exercise for thighs, but to do the same thing, same benefit will be there in doing in a different way. It's just stretching the leg forward and sideways. Lift it more, Varshni. Yes. So this will not trigger any pain. One more time. Yes. And slowly bring it down. Lift it and slowly bring it down. This will strengthen your thigh muscles and it's very good for your knee. So kicking should be avoided with someone who is having very bad knee. So this is the second exercise. Now we'll go for the third exercise, which is the wall squat. So keep your feet a little away from the wall, and it's like sitting on a chair. Okay, so this has to be how much ever. It should not be that low. If you are feeling little pain, when it kind of when you sit, you feel the pain. Please avoid it. And how much ever you can go down, please till that only you should go down. And this again, it will strengthen your thigh muscles and or calf muscles, and eventually the knee. So this you can stay there for 15 to 20 counts, and then you can come back. Then again you can, I think 4 to 5 times if you do like that, will help your knees. The fourth one is another exercises which I see and many people do it before dancing is this. This again will give you a terrible shock to your knee. So I would suggest not to venture it at all. You will be harming it more than benefiting it. So the exercises like this, the exercise, it will help your knee, with all that warming up in the whole of leg. So avoid that jumping. Jumping gives a very bad shock to your knee. So instead of the jumping exercise, you can do slowly. You can lift your leg, both the legs. So this can be done anytime. Exercise we'll be working on the floor exercises. So can you come this way? Yeah. So Varshni, lie down. Yeah. Come front and yes. Okay. This is called bridge. So fold both your legs and lift your buttocks and make sure you maintain this straight line. You can hold it for 15 to 20 counts and then relax. You can do this repetition for maybe 5 to 6 times. So hold it for 15 counts and then come back. So this again will work with your core muscles. The hamstring, all the muscles which help the knee will be worked out. Now the sixth exercise, Varshni, can you lie down? Again it works with the core. Hold your one leg, okay, and then slowly lift your right leg up and down. A little is enough, Varshni. Up and slowly bring it down. Slowly. Up and down. Up and down. This again works beautifully with your core and eventually it will strengthen your knee. So this can be done again 15 to 20 times on both the legs. The next exercise will be another floor exercise only. I'm using a pilot band. You can, if you don't have this, you can very well use any dupatta or any longer cloth, and with that you can do it. So I'll tell you how to do the first exercise for the knee. Varshni, can you do that? So stretch your both legs. Yeah. Yes, stretch your both legs. Make sure that both the legs are stretched and bring the band to one leg that way and then slowly pull it closer to you and then stretch it back. Pull it, stretch it back. Pull it, stretch it back. So again this can be done 15 to 20 counts and on both the legs. So this also is very good exercise for the knee, and doing that it will strengthen your knee. So the next exercise is again with the band. Must make sure you wrap it around in the center of the foot and lie down, Varshni. Yeah. And just hold it closely and lie down. And now lift your one leg to the right angle. Pull it in such a way that you must feel the pull behind and it has to be straight. Okay? And then you can bring it down, then lift it up, bring it down and lift it up. You can do it many times. At the end, Varshni, can you pull it more? You must feel the, yeah. So you just stay in the position, straighten your knee and you must feel the pull and stay there in this position for 15 to 20 counts. This again helps strengthening your knee very nicely. Okay? And now after that, you can do the same thing on the other leg. Now, the next exercise is again with the band. So you wrap it, just make sure it is in the middle of the foot and lie down partially. Now, what we'll do, just the leg which you are wrapping it, stretch it to the side as much as you can go. Make sure that everything is straight and you must feel the pull inside, okay? And then bring it back. Again, stretch it and bring it back. So pulling, give the tension in such a way that you feel the pull. Not too much or not too loose. You must feel the right tension in your thing, and then do it for 15 to 20 counts. And then at the end, when you are there, after 15 counts, stay there, pull, Varshni pull, stay there, feel the pull and stay there for 15 counts. Must feel the pull all throughout and stay there, and it's a very good stretch, especially when you finish your dancing. You can also with the band, all the exercises you can do it after dancing. Suppose you have some time after the practice or something, this will relax your muscles. So this can be done for your knee again. Yes. So for today's session, the last exercise, I'll conclude with this one, is lying down. And you saw the side stretch. Now we'll be taking the opposite leg to the side and then stretching your upper body to the other direction. So you'll feel the stretch. So you make sure you pull the band tightly and stretch on the other side, upper body. So again, you can do it for many counts, okay? Make sure the other leg is stretched, yeah, and then bring it back. And then at the end again, when you stretch it this way, you can stay there for some 15 to 20 counts. It will relax your muscles, okay? You'll feel the pull here, 15 to 20 counts, and then bring it back, relax. Once you finish that, you can do it, repeat the same exercise on the other leg. So I hope doing these exercises help you in whatever little way. I'll be very happy. And especially Bharatanatyam dancers, when we are sitting in Aramandi and we have a lot of pressure on knees, our positions and everything. So I will further add some more exercises, and also the exercises, warming up exercises, especially for dancers. I'll come up with some more videos. So thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.